Hi guys, I wanted to show you the state of my craft room right now. This looks like a huge mess, but it looks better than what it did 2 weeks ago. We've been in the new house for 2 weeks, so I'm attempting to get stuff settled in here, but it's going to take a while. So as I get this unboxed and get everything situated, I will get new videos out. So while I'm enjoying this mess, you guys enjoy this throwback video. If you like it, give me a like. If you got any comments, suggestions, let me know. And hopefully I'll get a new video out soon. We do not have the rest of the walls in. We do not have the electric in, nothing yet. Hopefully soon. All right, we'll see you guys later. Bye.
Hi everyone, it's Teresa and I'm back today with another resin video. Today what I want to do is I want to make some refrigerator magnets. So I have this mold that I'm going to use, and I have some magnets here that I bought off of Amazon. These things, they're little, but they're very, very strong. And they weren't that expensive. They were, I want to say $4 or $5 for 100 of them. So let me get stuff set up and then we'll get started. Okay, so the resin I'm going to use today is Let's Resin Fast Cure Epoxy Resin. It's a 1-to-1 mix ratio with a 4-hour demold time. So sit back and enjoy. Okay, I'll probably wait another 10 minutes, pop some more bubbles, and then let it cure overnight and demold it in the morning. Okay, we are back. These cured overnight. They don't look too bad. I see a couple bubbles. I don't know why yesterday the resin was so bubbly. But what I want to do is I'm going to use some high gloss viscosity resin by J. Diction, and I'm going to dome this and then we'll take it out. Okay, so I overflowed the X, but that'll be okay. I can fix that. Okay, so let's unmold these. Well, before I unmold them, I just want to say a couple things. First, this is probably only the third time I've used regular resin. So, I'm still learning. So these are not going to be perfect. I expect air bubbles because even though I mixed it slowly, I did speed it up for video so that you guys wouldn't sit and watch me stir it for 10 minutes. There seemed to be a lot of bubbles in it. So like I said, it was only my second or third time using regular resin. I do want to try using more of it. It's a learning thing, and I'll get it down. But I do prefer UV resin to regular resin. I feel that it's easier to use, but one of the drawbacks is you can't do anything big with it, like jars or anything. But let's go ahead and demold these. This one here, I used all my leftover resin. So it's got a little bit of gold flake in it, a little bit of color. And I did not dome this, nor did I put magnets in it. I think it turned out good. A couple of air bubbles. Now, this one, you can see the glitter kind of sunk, but you see the magnets. I think it did good. I got some little burrs that I got to take off, but it doesn't really look like there's bubbles in it, which is surprising to me. Very, very surprising. Same thing here. The glitter kind of sunk. I have some burrs on it. Well, I know these are not going to be perfect. These are just going to go on my refrigerator. I don't sell my crafts. I make them for myself, my family, friends. This one looks better as far as the glitter not sinking, but I do see a few air bubbles. I don't know if you guys can see them. But I do like the translucent color. Bubbles. These almost look like they were done on purpose. They're right across from each other. This is the one I overflowed. But I can fix that. Well, here they are. Let me know what you think in the comments. I don't think it's bad for just playing around. I mean, obviously, got some more learning to do, but it's fun. So check out some of my other videos, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.